Hello friends. In our modern existence today, as we strive towards achieving excellence, we have the luxury of various technologies like automation, robotics, artificial intelligence to make us more efficient, creative and innovative. But notwithstanding all of these, we also see in our societies there's a rise in the level of stress. So today let me try to talk to some of my colleagues and find out what causes stress to them, if any, and how do they manage stress. So let's go and find out. Good morning, Professor Sunil Pillai.
Good morning, sir.
Today I'm trying to find out what stresses people. So anything that stress you out?
Bangalore traffic, if you ask me. Really, I feel so stressed driving and coming every day. That's really stresses me.
Okay. And is there anything that you can do to overcome it?
Oh, very little, but a game of table tennis or badminton is the real stress buster.
Okay, in the
Trust
evening,
me, sir.
right?
Absolutely, yes.
And how about some music in your car when
Oh
you're driving?
yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
That
Music.
helps?
But the problem is sometimes I forget.
Yeah.
The stress makes me even forget that.
Yeah.
But yes.
Great.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. In either way, I mean, what stresses you out most?
So what stresses me out most is actually not workload.
Yeah.
It is sometimes people take you for granted.
Okay.
The reciprocation is not proper,
Okay.
or being a woman is also detrimental. So
Okay.
in fact, a successful woman is more detrimental to society
Yeah.
and your self-health also.
Okay.
So,
So how do you overcome that?
so I do believe in God.
Yeah.
So chanting mantras,
Yeah.
that help me, and going for a long nature walk.
Okay. So I mean, even the nature is, I would say, put it under spirituality, right? It is
Yeah,
all
I'm
about
a little
connection.
spiritual.
Yeah.
So
Great.
yes,
Yeah.
that helps me. So,
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
yeah,
So have a good day today.
thank you.
Okay, with me here, two good professors, Dr. Sunil Sharma. Good morning.
Good morning.
The question today is, what causes you stress and how do you bust stress?
See, the normal cause of my stress is the deadlines.
Yeah.
So when we are having some deadlines, and this can be anywhere in the institute or it's related to my company. There are a lot of compliance you have to do.
Yes.
And the best way to do it is complete your work on time.
Okay.
So this is how you come over the stress.
Okay.
And if still you have stress and anxiety, then music, sports and exercise.
Okay.
For me it is swimming,
Yeah.
and if I require it for a longer duration, then maybe a trekking, 10-day trekking is
Okay.
the best stress buster
Okay.
that can happen.
Great. So thank you so much. Thank you for your thoughts. We have Professor Chandrasekhar. Good morning, Professor.
Hi, good morning, sir. How are
And,
you doing?
Yeah, good today.
Yeah.
And what causes you stress?
Oh, there are many factors which causes stress. One of the stresses in the morning, early morning, it starts with is that when I have a class at 9 o'clock and I have to be there much before the class starts, and
Yeah.
you don't know the kind of traffic which I have to come. I travel about
Yes.
28 kilometers one
Yeah,
way,
yeah.
and to keep up with the timings is one of the stresses. Okay, so I
Okay.
still somehow try to make it up to be in time for the class. And the way,
How do you manage it?
Yeah, to de-stress myself is that, okay, after the end of the day, I go and read something, or, I sleep off, and then, that kind of,
Yeah.
de-stresses me, because I think, sleep is one of the important things,
Yeah.
which will actually de-stress most of us.
Okay.
Right, so thank you very
Great.
much.
Interesting insights. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, today's question is what causes you stress and how do you bust stress?
What I feel is multitasking causes stress. So
Okay.
if you take your tasks step by step in a much simpler way, it kind of releases you from the stress.
So you try to break down the
Yeah,
task ahead
don't
of you?
overdo anything. Just keep it simple. Live every day rather than live for the past and the future.
Okay.
So that relieves you off.
Very interesting
So-
thought, ma'am. So Dr. Sharon Jose, she talks about breaking down the problem into parts and then tackle the parts rather than the whole. That is how you
Exactly.
solve it. Thank you so much, ma'am. We have Professor Sushila Girisabala. Ma'am, what about your stress and how do you bust it?
To me, the sheer fact that time will not come back is
Yeah.
so stressful.
Yeah.
then how do I bust it?
Yeah.
Give yourself that time.
Okay.
Time is all yours.
So this is how you do it.
Yeah.
Interesting
Time
perspectives.
is illusion, so ma'am. Time doesn't really exist.
I know, that's why it's stressful.
And time is relative also.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So
Thank
we'll
you.
go to Dr. Shivoli Ghosh Kundu.
Yes, sir.
You are always happy.
Yes.
We always keep you seeing smiling. Do you get stressed sometimes?
Yes, sometimes.
And then how do you overcome?
If people around me are not well health-wise, that is the only time I am stressed.
Yeah.
And to overcome that, I do meditation.
Okay.
I think it helps
Meditation.
me a lot.
Okay. So that is how you manage stress.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a good day. Harish sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So my question is that do you also get stressed out sometimes, sir?
Maybe, but not often.
Not often, sir.
Not often. I would say rarely.
Anything specific that causes you stress or?
Can't say. Maybe an argument with someone. Maybe
Okay, and then how do you manage and how to come out of it, sir?
it takes a little time. Maybe
Because
a
I
day.
see that you read books. So anything like book reading, music or something like that?
No, I do a variety of things like you say, book reading, music, and sketching, and variety of things like that.
Yeah.
But they're more to keep me engaged and occupied.
Yeah.
They're not really stress busters. I would say by and large, I don't get stressed.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So I do my work diligently and regularly.
Yes, sir.
So
that
stress is not a problem.
manages it. Fine, sir. Thank you so much, sir. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you very much.
Bharti ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know,
to
I'm
you.
just trying to find out, that what causes stress to people. So in your case, I mean, is there anything that causes you stress, ma'am?
Oh yes, I don't think there is anybody in this world who doesn't have stress.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to me, I'm actually very good at planning things. I'm a meticulous planner. I plan out my tasks really well. But one thing that really stresses me out is handling crisis. I'm really
Okay.
not good at handling crisis.
Yeah.
Those sudden things which
Unexpected.
unexpected things which most often happen and require you to do handle it like a firefighter
Yes.
is something that I'm not good at.
Okay.
So that is the only thing that stresses me. I think I'm fine with the other things.
Well, how do you, when such situations occur,
Yeah.
how do you try and manage those situations?
Okay, so I try my best to look at the situation and what I am supposed to do and plan it out. But sometimes it could be very, very small things like sudden guests coming and I don't know what to do in the kitchen. Okay,
Yeah.
it could be as simple
As
as
simple as that, yes.
Yeah. I'm really not good at that. I actually mess it up, but
Yeah.
nevertheless, I think I'm slowly learning. When you have children, especially
Yes.
teenagers and
Yes.
even small children,
Yeah.
I think you are well prepared for crisis
yes.
managements. Okay, so I think as a parent, it is also helping me to cope up with crisis situations like this.
Yes.
I'm hoping to ensure that this learning runs parallel in other areas of my life.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah.
so much
Thank
and wish
you.
you all the best.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So I have with me Professor R. Srinivasan. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr.
Sir.
Surya.
Sir, do you get stressed sometimes? Stressed out?
Quite a lot of times when we have to do things on time, we are always running behind schedules, and that causes a little bit of a stress.
Okay.
And even when you start off in the morning, you don't want to miss deadlines, you want to be on time.
Okay.
So that causes stress.
And how do you manage that stress?
That's the most difficult question. I think we are trying to be a little perfectionist to be on time. I think we should learn to relax like the students, and we should not take it too serious.
Okay.
The one way of busting stress I would do is sit down in the room, close my eyes for some time, and then probably do nothing. And
Okay.
that really brings down the stress a little bit.
Okay. So you try to kind of break the chain of activities that you do,
Yes,
both mental
mental
as
and
well
physical.
as physical,
Physical.
and then that is how you break it.
That's the only way we can go about doing it.
Yeah, very interesting. Yeah. Thank you
Thank
for
you, sir.
sharing
Thank
your
you,
thoughts.
Professor.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Dr. Aruna Bala. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, you are always happy, cheerful, and all that. But do you sometimes get stress?
Of course, yeah, like everybody.
And
Yeah.
what causes you stress?
Honestly speaking, people causes me stress.
People.
Yeah,
Hope I am not the one.
No, not you.
Okay, fine. And how do you manage?
I avoid them.
You avoid them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So for a brief period of time, then I come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So have a good day today.
Thank you.
Bye. Shweta ma'am, today I'm trying to find out
Yes, sir.
what stresses people, Do you also get stressed, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm a human being. Yes. A fear of losing my loved ones is something which causes a lot of stress, to me at least. Yeah.
Okay. And how do you overcome that?
How do I overcome? By accepting the things as they are and moving on for the better.
Any activity or anything that you do to kind of divert your mind from that?
Sometimes, yeah, I listen to music and I go out for a walk just to vent out whatever is the turmoil which is there in my mind.
Okay.
So that's it. So.
Thank you, ma'am, and I wish the very best to all your family members, your near and dear ones.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you. Geeta ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So today's question is like, do you sometimes get stressed out?
Oh, yes. I do get stressed out sometimes.
And,
in fact,
yeah,
more number of times than sometimes.
Okay.
So
what causes you? I mean, many things give us stress, but anything specific that really causes you stress?
yes. So I have always lived in Bangalore, sir.
Yes.
And I have seen the yesteryears of Bangalore,
Yes.
and now I see a humongous change. There is so much of traffic all around me, so much of noise, so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
of din, chaos.
True.
That really stresses me.
Yeah.
Me, and especially when I see Bangalore, the garden city, becoming a garbage city.
Yeah.
That really stresses me.
True, ma'am. And how do you manage this stress or bust this stress?
Okay, so busting my stress, there isn't much I can do about
Yes.
all the confusion that prevails around me. But then one way I kind of keep myself calm and in some kind of Zen state is by listening to music.
Okay.
I listen to a lot of music. Any kind of music is fine with me.
Yeah.
But then music really is a big stress buster for me, and also I do some bit of brisk walking and sometimes running.
Yeah.
I think these two really help me in stress busting.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, sir.
So have
Thank
a very relaxing day today.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now I have Professor Ravindra Babu. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So do you get stressed sometimes?
Yeah, as a human being, you should always be stressed, and that is always good.
So positive stress you were talking
Yes,
about.
yes.
But how do you bust stress? Sometimes you want to get relaxed. What do you do?
Normally, I will calm myself. So
Yeah.
one way of calming myself is listening to music.
Yeah.
If I'm at home and I have my mic, so I might sing one or two karaoke songs.
Okay.
So just to come out of the stress.
Yeah.
That's the only way that I. Otherwise, if I'm still more stressed, I will pick up a book and start reading it.
Okay.
So that these are two ways, and I normally keep to myself. I don't talk to anybody else at that time.
Yeah.
Because when I'm stressed out, so I don't want to shout at somebody or scream at somebody, or somebody talks, it irritates me.
Yeah, yeah.
So I keep to myself and listen to good music or read a good book.
Okay.
That's one way.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Professor Anand Srinivas.
So later, shall we know I'm stressed? When I'm stressed, I can't talk about stress.
So that is the way you.
That's
bust
the
stress?
most important thing.
How do you bust stress? Because you keep quiet, you don't talk.
That's true. Yeah, I don't speak much.
Okay, but then what causes you stress?
Uncertainty.
So when you
but uncertainty is a part of life.
Yeah.
Stressed when I realize that I have not given my best, or I have failed to do something. That
Okay.
causes me stress. But
Okay.
otherwise, I accept uncertainty in the world,
Yeah.
uncertainty in life.
Okay.
But when I don't
yeah,
do something that I shouldn't, causes stress.
that causes you stress. And then to overcome that, what do you do?
I just put my head down and try to finish it, or go deeper into it, push myself harder to learn more about the situation and give my best.
Okay.
That's
fine.
how I come out.
Okay. Thank you so much. Professor Raghavendra Rao.
Yes, sir.
What causes you stress?
Usually, I don't take stress.
Yeah.
I don't.
But if at all you are stressed, then
I
what do
feel
you do?
stressed. I always stressed. Whenever I get stressed, I work more.
Okay. So
Okay.
through your work, that means you manage your
Stress.
Okay.
Sometimes I watch movies and read books.
Okay, yeah, another thing.
That is
Watching
the
movies.
whenever I don't have work or something which not interests me, I just try to read a good book, philosophical book.
Yeah.
And then sometimes music.
Yeah.
Very rarely with family I watch movie.
Okay, that
good
is also
movie.
one
Yes,
way
so that maybe enjoying movies with my son and my wife.
Yeah.
That is a good stress buster sometime when they are all available.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I have with me now my esteemed colleague, Dr. B. Shafiullah. Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah.
Today I'm trying to find out that what causes stress to people. Do you get stressed sometimes?
Definitely, sir. Everybody, in life they will have stress in different situation.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we get sudden challenges, no.
Yeah.
But how can you handle the stress? Means there are some reality. When you are proactive and positive in thinking, you can handle any kind of stress.
So
and we should not think everything as a problem. We should think as a challenge and in an opportunity.
As an opportunity.
An opportunity. That if you resolve that, no, yes, sir.
So what you are saying is that there are so many things which are unexpected.
Yes.
There are so many things which are causing uncertainty.
Yeah.
But rather than looking at them as a source of stress, you can look at it as a
opportunity.
As an opportunity.
And you should be very proactive. I will tell my students also.
Yeah.
Don't be reactive. Proactive.
And
see, if you are reactive, no, you'll be
getting
you
into
can
that
say
cycle.
You'll be the
so no wonder you are the coordinator of the sports club, being proactive. Right?
Definitely, yes, sir. We have so many challenges, organizing sports and during COVID time, and we have to maintain discipline and COVID
and the protocols.
Protocols,
Yes.
So that's why.
Yeah.
So challenge, that's what now. And nowadays in the world, every time you will get new challenges because now the world is very dynamic in nature.
So in your words, it will be new opportunities.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. With me today is Professor Radhika Ramesh. Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Today, what I'm trying to find out actually what stresses people. So, do you get sometimes stressed out?
I do, sir, when I have all the kind of food which I'm not supposed to eat.
Okay.
But then jokes apart, I think as we have come to this part of our life journey, less and lesser things stresses out now.
Yeah.
But I think sometimes when I cannot make habits which are going to help me to be better.
Okay.
That stresses me out. And of course, like everybody else, sometimes people whom, you feel a little overwhelmed with.
Yeah.
But then I should say that de-stressing has always been something which I have learned consciously.
Yes, ma'am.
And my family is my biggest de-stressor.
Yeah.
And some music.
Yes.
And of course books are there, always to distress me, and wonderful colleagues like you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Today I have a very relaxed and de-stressed day. Wish you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you,
you
ma'am.
so
Bye
much.
bye. You have to smile, please, because you are on camera. So the question is,
yes,
do you get stressed sometimes? Because I always see you so happy and cheerful.
Yes, I do get stressed.
What makes you stressed?
Oh, very many things. But one thing that comes to my mind is when I see onions and garlic in my food.
Oh my God.
I don't like them. I find them extremely difficult to take.
Okay.
So picking them from the food, it becomes difficult, Professor Surja.
But are you comfortable peeling the garlic and onion?
No.
Okay.
They are not in my kitchen at all.
At all. Okay. So
I save money. I have saved lots of money.
Okay, so that means it is very easy to bust stress for you, right? You just don't buy garlics and onions.
I don't spend money on that, and especially when people say onion is priced so much, I'm like,
okay. So that means absolutely there is no stress in your kitchen and in your life.
Yes.
stay stress free like that.
Yes.
All the best.
Onions
Thank you.
and garlic. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much. Manisha ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Ma'am, today's question is, what causes you stress and how do you bust stress?
What causes me stress is basically when things get delayed.
Okay.
When you have a deadline to achieve and you're not able to do that, when you have something to finish and the time has come, so I get a lot of stress because of that.
Okay.
Now, what do I do is basically I try to be a little proactive and start from the moment I get some work.
Yeah.
That is one of the ways. And the other way is, of course, listening to music.
Yeah.
That's my complete stress buster. So
Okay.
I listen to whatever music I have my hands on.
Yeah. So, being on top of the game, no procrastination, and music.
And
These
music.
are the two things
Yes.
which it helps you.
Helps.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your thought, ma'am.
Thank you.
Venkatraman sir, very good morning.
Good morning.
Today I'm trying to find out what stresses people. Do you have any specific, things that stresses you out, sir?
Of course, yes. Placing students.
Okay, sir. Yeah, and of course, how do you bust that stress?
How do you bust that? I take it in this stride. It's an occupational hazard.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah. With us today, Professor G.P. Muralidhara, Director, Campus Head of IBS Bangalore. Sir, today we are trying to find out, what is your stress buster?
Okay. My stress buster is laughing out loud. So I laugh out loud. Now you can see whether you can also follow the same stress buster.
Yes, that is quite interesting because it can take that all the negative energy out basically.
Yeah.
That is what it is. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. It was really nice. So friends, we just heard different people talking about different reasons why they get stressed and also different ways how they manage stress. I guess people get stressed at different phases of their life from different sources. Coming to me, how do I manage stress? It is by walking away. I walk away from people who try to put me down. I walk away from fights that will never be resolved. And I walk away from pleasing people who will never see my worth. And by walking away from everything that poisons my soul, I become more healthier, I become more happier, and that is how I try to manage my stress. So thank you very much for watching my video today. And if you liked my videos, please subscribe to my channel. That will help the channel to grow and motivate me to make more and more videos. Thank you so much. And have a good day, stress-free day, and a healthy day. Bye-bye, signing off.